Hello dear student. Already we discussed two lectures on this topic, electrostatic potential and capacitance. Now I am going to discuss third lecture on this topic, electrostatic potential and capacitance. This is a very easy chapter. Don't panic about this. So if you will focus starting onwards, definitely you will get all concepts. So please focus the lecture starting onwards, then definitely you will get all concepts clearly. Right. Now I am going to start third lecture in chapter electrostatic potential and capacitance. Electrostatic potential and capacitance. Topic: electric potential due to dipole. Electric potential due to dipole. Dear student, already you know, well known about dipole. Dipole is nothing but two identical unlike charges separated by some distance is called dipole. So we need to talk about electric potential due to dipole. So first of all, here in this topic, two cases are there. Case 1. Very important for the board purpose. So focus carefully. The point lies on axial line of dipole. Point lies on axial line of dipole. So now we need to find electric potential if the point lies on axial line of dipole. Let us consider one dipole. Let us consider two charges, two identical in magnitude, opposite charges, separated by some distance. So observe carefully, this is a dipole or not? Identical in magnitude, Q. Opposite charges, plus minus. Two identical unlike charges separated by some distance. You know, dipole distance is always equal to 2a. Now point lies on axial line. This is the axis of dipole. So if you consider point on this axial line, we need to find electric potential at this point P. So let us assume, so center of dipole is indicated with some O point. Distance from center of dipole to this point is called R. I consider distance from center of dipole to point is R. Now observe carefully. Then this distance is what here? You know, this is called center of dipole. Total dipole distance is 2a. Then definitely this distance is a. This distance is a. So observe carefully. We need to find net potential at point P. My dear, here two charges are there. Plus Q charge, minus Q charge. Due to minus Q charge, some potential is acting on P. Due to plus Q charge, some potential is acting on P. That means we need to find the net potential at point P due to these two charges. Right. So net potential at point P is equal to potential due to plus Q charge plus potential due to minus Q charge. You know already, while we are calculating electric potential, we consider sign of charge. Very important point. while we calculating electric potential, we consider sign of charge. Now, I consider here formula of electric potential, you know already, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by distance from, general formula is what ma? V is equal to potential due to point charge formula. V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught to Q by D. Here D means distance between point and charge. Distance between point and charge. Now, electric potential V is equal to, you know already, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by D. D is nothing but distance between point and charge. Now, we are talking about plus Q charge. Okay, this plus Q charge is situated at distance from the point P is, observe carefully. This total distance is R. This distance is, you know already, this distance is A. Then this distance will become R minus A or not. This distance is R minus A or not, because distance from center of dipole to point is R. Distance from center of dipole to this plus Q charge is A. I want distance from charge to point, that to plus Q charge. We are talking about potential due to plus Q charge. That means distance from plus Q to point P is R minus A. So what is the general formula of electric potential? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by D. Q is plus Q here. D is R minus A. Plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into charge is minus Q and distance from minus Q to point P. Observe carefully. What is the distance from minus Q to point P from this diagram? A plus R. Am I right? That means you can consider here distance from minus Q to point P is R plus A. From this, observe carefully. What is common thing here? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is common thing. Then 1 by R minus A minus of 1 by R plus A. My dear, here Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into, so here denominator you can consider as R minus A into R plus A. Then what we will get? R plus A minus R plus A. So here plus R minus R going to be cancelled. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2A by R square minus A square. R square minus A square. So this is a net potential on axial line. Net potential due to the point lies on axial line. So that is a formula. Observe carefully. Let us assume R square is far greater than A square. R square value is far greater than A square. Then dipole will acts as short dipole. Dear student, don't panic. Very easy concept. If R value is far greater compared to A, that means A value is very less. A value less means distance between dipole is less. Distance between dipole is less means short dipole or not. For short dipole, you can consider R square is greater than A square means we can neglect here A square value. Finally, in this formula, R square is greater than A square means we can neglect A square value because it is very less value. You can neglect this value. Then we got V axial is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2A by R square. Observe carefully. You know dipole moment formula. What is the formula of dipole moment? Dipole moment P is equal to 2aq. Dipole moment P is equal to 2aq. That means Q into 2a can be written as a P 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This 2a into Q can be written as a P by R square. P by R square. Thus is, if any point lies on axial line of dipole, electric potential at that point, keep it in mind, if any point lies on axial line of dipole, electric potential at that point, formula V axial is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P by R square. So this is about electric potential due to axial line of dipole. So next we are going to discuss, if a point lies on equatorial line of dipole, then how the net potential acting on that point we are going to discuss. Right. So case 1 completed. If a point lies on axial line of dipole, electric potential at that point, formula 1 by 4